16-meter logs through a spectacular turn in the mountains of the Haute Alpes. I stumbled upon this video, and now I'm completely hooked. I had no idea that transporting giant generators involved such a complex operation. It's like watching a real-life game of Tetris, but with much higher stakes. The drone footage is incredible, giving you a whole new perspective on the immense size and scale of these machines. Whoa! That FinTech 542 screener is an absolute beast. Watching Fasula's heavy transport maneuver it through those tight mountain passes is like witnessing a ballet with a monster truck. Those switchbacks are insane, yet the drivers handle them like true pros. It's clear they've got the skills and experience to tackle any terrain with ease. This is a true masterclass in heavy hauling. HANNAHDACUS clearly knows their craft. The way they've arranged the trucks to evenly distribute the weight of those 39.5-meter beams is nothing short of impressive. It's like watching a perfectly synchronized ballet of steel and machinery. I can't help but wonder about the challenges they faced on this particular route. This video is giving me some serious career goals. I've always dreamed of operating heavy machinery like that CAT 6015. The sheer power and precision of these machines are absolutely awe-inspiring. It's incredible to see how they're transported and put to work in some of the most challenging environments on Earth. He definitely deserves the Driver of the Year award for this one. Maneuvering a log truck loaded with 16-meter logs through a spectacular turn in the mountains of the Hautes Alpes takes extraordinary finesse. His exceptional loading skills and precision are truly impressive. Check out those Fendt tractors in action. The Fendt 939 and 951 make an incredibly impressive team, especially when paired with the Komatsu 951 unloading from the Abert low bed. It's a true showcase of some top-notch tractors at work. I stumbled upon this video, and now I'm completely hooked. I had no idea that transporting giant gas turbines was such a complex operation. It's like watching a real-life game of Tetris, but with much higher stakes. The footage of the turbine navigating through the streets is absolutely awe-inspiring, giving you a whole new appreciation for the sheer size and scale of these massive machines. I thought parallel parking my SUV was tough, but these guys are maneuvering a 108-ton tower like it's no big deal. Seriously, this is incredible. It really puts my driving skills to shame. I can't even fathom the level of concentration and expertise needed to operate those SPMTS. Hats off to the entire team for pulling off such an impressive feat. Whoa, this is intense. That mountain pass looks treacherous. No wonder they call it the most dangerous pass in Southeast Asia. And to tackle it, with two Sony crane trucks weighing at least 70 tons of pure steel? My heart's pounding just watching this. I really hope everyone's okay out there. Wow! I can't help but wonder about the weight and length of that vessel. It's truly impressive how they managed to transport it so efficiently. Whoa! Witness the madness of drag racing with Peterbilt versus Vincent Couture. The insane torque twists the cabins, making for a wild ride from the starting line to the finish. The power and speed on display are absolutely unbelievable. A true spectacle of raw engineering. Hauler recovery can be a tough challenge. Some roads are just unforgiving, but with the M1070, we can get it back up and running efficiently and safely, no matter the weather conditions. This big, beautiful beast doesn't even need roads to get where it's going.